Hello, my dear friends. I'm about to give you a free gift. It's a sample video from my patreon.com site, and it is a mini mentoring session. You'll get one of these every Friday, just as a little teaser, a little taste to see what it would be like to get one of these 5 days a week. If you decide you'd like to have one of these mini mentoring sessions 5 days a week, ad-free, go to A Better Life with Flylady Kat at patreon.com, patreon.com, and sign up. It's only $5 a month. You get 20 videos a month, and they are designed to give you a kick in the pants first thing in the morning. It's set up so that you can see them first thing, so you can watch them in bed even before you get going. It's designed for payroll and at-home homemakers, and it will help you with the way you think about the way you're doing life and doing the Flylady system. So I hope that you go over and check out my Patreon site. While you're there, look at all of the other opportunities that I have for you for mentoring. We do personal one-on-one mentoring. There are different levels of that. And also I offer this year in 2022, financial mentoring. So if you need a budget, if you would like to be financially independent, now's the time to sign up for that as well. Okay, have a wonderful day. Enjoy the video. Hello, dear patrons. Today's video is about prioritizing your brain dump. So let's talk about brain dumps. It's when you're writing down everything. Remember I talked about a long time ago, ping pong ball brain? And that's when all those little things, those little to-dos are in your mind and they're bouncing around, and instead of 4 things, it feels like you have 16 things to do, and it's so all encompassing that you are frozen and you can't do anything. But when you actually write it down, it's only 4 things. So let's look at it in the planner. This is the planner for next week. This is Kimmy's planner. She's in her apron planner. I love it. Okay, I haven't filled this plan out yet for next week. I do have some general things in here, like Zone 3, the bathroom. I'm going to be working on that. And that I have a football game for my grandson. I haven't put anything else in here yet because I haven't planned it. So we have a kind of a blank slate. On this second page of the weekly plan, of the week at a glance, it says to-dos / brain dump. That's one of the things I love about this planner. It tells me exactly where to put whatever it is I need. It says you put your menus here. It says that you do your brain dump and your to-dos here. These are the days of the week, the things that you want to make sure you do. Over here is your expenses, the money that you may have spent. How much was it? Was it a need or a want? Over here, we've got the morning routines, where you're going to write them down and check them off. The evening routines, write them down and check them off. The zone, you write down your zone and things you want to do in the zone, and what your focus is for the week. So this makes it so easy. So when we get over here to brain dump, that's when you're going to write down the things that are bugging you. I have things that are bugging me. One thing that's bugging me is my husband needs to fix a little slat on a chair, on the leg rest. I don't have to fix it, he has to fix it, but if I don't remind him, he won't remember because he's super busy doing editing and things. So I put it on my brain dump for this week. You have things that are bugging you. You know, it doesn't matter what it is. Maybe that tile is curling up and you want to find out if you can get a replacement for it. So you put curled tile, and you know that means you need to sit down, call Lowe's, and find out if they still have that tile, and if you can have one piece replaced. Curled tile, broken tile, sorry. Maybe you have a light bulb that's out and you just never seem to remember to change it. Write it down. Maybe some things you want your husband to do, some things you want your children to do. Write them down. But this video isn't about just writing them down and the convenience of this wonderful planner, but it's also about planning them, making them a priority. So once you put your list of things down, then you're going to prioritize it. This is something I learned years ago in corporate when I had a Franklin planner. I don't know if you've ever used one of those, but we had to write down what all we had to do and then prioritize it, and maybe even sub-prioritize things under that. So this is what we're doing in our home. We're running it like a business. You're the CEO. So write them down and then say, okay, I want Johnny to put all his toys, to go through his toys with me. I want Johnny to go through his toys with me. Let's read the rest and see what else we have. I need my husband to fix the chair. Let's read the rest and see what we have. I need to get rid of those extra sheets in the linen closet. Okay, let's read the rest. I need to find 7 cloths for my bathroom so that I'll have 1 a day when I'm cleaning. So 7 cloths. Okay. What else do I have? I need to clean all the windows inside. Okay. What else do I have? And so you have 4 or 5 different things on there, 6, 7, and it's not just your stuff, it's stuff you want to oversee or make sure it's done. Now, once you've read them all, you can say, what's the biggest priority? The biggest priority is that I need those 7 cloths for the bathroom first. So I'm going to make that A, or 1. Then what next? I really want my son to go with me through his toys. So I'm going to make that number 2. And then I really want to, I don't remember all the things I just said, but you know, you go through and you prioritize. Then you say, okay, clean out the linen closet shelves. Okay, so you've got it all prioritized or delegated. Maybe it's not prioritized, but maybe you have to delegate certain things, like giving something to Mr. B. Okay, but not your child, because you're actually helping him, even though it says he's going to help you. So what zone are we in this week? Well, we're in zone 2. Well, let's go to zone, where's your linen closet? Is it in your bathroom? Is it in the hall? Where's your linen closet? Oh, it's in your master bathroom. Okay, then that's going to be in zone 4, when we're in the master bathroom, bedroom, and closet, if you have one. So you'll flip over to when you know zone 4 is. If today is zone 2 week, then you know next week is zone 3, the next week is zone 4. Now we can go to zone 4, write zone 4, write master bedroom / bathroom / closet. 1. Go through sheets and linen closet. Now it's there. Okay, you don't have to write anything else. You don't have to decide what else you're going to do right now. That's what you've got written down. Next, we're going to talk about going through Johnny's toys. Well, we go through his toys every day because we put them back in the container every day, 4 times a day. But it's not really when we're going to go through his toys. That's going to be when we're in an other room. So when we're in his room and his toys. So we're going to put that in zone 3, which is next week. We're in zone 2. Zone 3 is the bathroom and one other room. So go flip over, write 3 in your zone, write Johnny's bedroom, and under number 1 put go through toys with Johnny. Okay, and that's how you do it. Now when you're done, most of those things aren't even going to be this week. Maybe there was something you found that needed to be done in the kitchen and you have 4 things written down, but this one seems so much higher priority that you want to bump one of those things to next month. And so you do. And that's perfectly okay. Prioritizing your list is going to give you peace of mind so that when you come to that particular day, then you know what you're going to do that day. So when you turn into your, let's say we're in zone 3, and we're going to work through the toys, okay? So you've written it down, bathroom / Johnny's room. I'm going to clean the tub. That's number 1. Number 2, I'm going to go through Johnny's toys. So maybe you wrote go through Johnny's toys, and now you have to write clean the tub. Clean the tub would be 1. Johnny's toys would be 2. And then maybe it's going to take you 2 sessions to go through Johnny's toys. So it would also be 3. And then 4 might be in Johnny's room that you need to go through his underwear drawer or whatever. Okay, so that's what you do. And then you know I've got 4 days to work in there. Monday, I take Tuesday as a free day, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. So if 1 is happening here on Monday, then Tuesday and maybe Wednesday, I'm going to go through Johnny's toys with him. So this is how this works. It's so simple. When you prioritize your work, you're going to get those things that are on your mind and bugging you done. So I want you to do that. Start prioritizing those things that keep slipping out of your mind, And also go watch my YouTube video where I talk about scheduling things that you keep missing. That's another important part of this. All right, that's it for today. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I hope that you always remember that you are beautiful. So be beautiful.